Alrighty then, today we've got a 2019 Ford F250 SuperDuty, which received the Morimoto 2017 and up XB LED headlights. This is the running light mode, which is a nice bright white LED strip. These headlights also feature a Bugatti startup sequence for the headlights, so when you turn on the headlights, they do a little song and dance, and then they turn on. This is a quad LED projector, which gives pretty respectable, decent light output. They won't outperform a properly done HID projector retrofit, but for an off-the-shelf solution, they're pretty respectable. And finally, we've got the optional sequential turn signal, which I think looks pretty cool. All in all, I gotta say I'm really happy that I got an opportunity to install one of these. I'd still personally prefer to do a custom build, however these do offer some great off-the-shelf performance that is very appealing to people who prefer pre-built assemblies. This is 13 with Superior Mobile ByThirteen signing out. Feel free to email me at 13@bythirteen.com for any build requests. Thanks for watching.